In this video, I'll talk about the second issue that arises if you die without a will, providing for your kids. If you're gone, I'm sure you want to make sure your children are provided for. But what will happen to your assets if you die without a will? Here's what happens if you have no will and you and your spouse die. Your children are the beneficiary of your estates, meaning that they are the ones to inherit your house, your RRSP, and any other savings or pension entitlements you are to receive. Sounds simple and good, right? Wrong. Why does the government get involved? It's because minors cannot legally control property, even property that's in their own name. So if no will has been prepared, the government will hold on to the property and make decisions on how, when to use the money until he or she reaches 18, or until the court has appointed a guardian to do that. Here's what would happen. The court would have to appoint someone to make decisions on how and when to use the money, whether that be someone you know or the government itself. This person or the government would then have to deposit the money into an account that the court oversees. The court determines how, if at all, this money is to be used until they approve of someone to make those decisions as the children's guardian. Related to that point, someone could apply to become the legal guardian of the money and property. The government would have the opportunity to oppose any such application and/or require the applicant to prove why their appointment would be in the best interest of the child. Does this sound like a headache? It is. While all of this is going on, your child's rightful property is locked up in the hands of the court. If you've been through a court process, you know that things do not move quickly. While your assets are stuck in limbo for the short term, in the long term, you can also lose control of how your assets are distributed if you have no will. Learn how this happens in the next video. But what will happen to your assets if you die without a will? Here's what happens if you die without a will and you... Oh shit, sorry.